Welcome to CDG Inspection, a global leader in testing services. We specialize in N581-6 to 2021 testing for camping furniture to guarantee compliance with international standards. Camping furniture faces harsh outdoor conditions. Our testing ensures it's built to last. We rigorously test furniture for strength and durability under real-world conditions. Our experts assess the comfort and usability of camping furniture to enhance your experience. We evaluate load capacity to ensure your safety and comfort. Our environmental testing ensures your furniture performs in all weather conditions. We analyze the materials to confirm compliance with safety and quality standards. We test for stability, so your furniture performs flawlessly on all surfaces. With state-of-the-art facilities and expert professionals, CDG Inspection is your ideal partner. We are recognized worldwide for our comprehensive testing services. Our clients trust us for reliable, accurate results that ensure their success. Ready to ensure your furniture meets global standards? Visit our website to make an inquiry today. We offer unparalleled accuracy and reliability, giving you a competitive edge. Choose CDG Inspection for N581-6 to 2021 testing.